This is a review of Bluetooth drawing tablet for PC, 6 inches by 4 inches. This is paper-like art graphics drawing tablet for PC. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. It has Magic Pen 3.0, 16K pressure levels, and 5.0 Bluetooth. There we go. This is the tablet. Here is the instruction manual. It talks about how we're gonna put the pin inside the pen. This is our stylus. It is very professional. USB-A to USB-C. That's the connection cable. Here is the pen holder. We're gonna put it like that. We have some function buttons, F1, F2, up to F10, and you can control your laptop. It's like playing, next, previous, mute, increase the volume, decrease the volume, and etc. I'm gonna install the application from drivers download. Since my laptop is Windows, I'm gonna continue downloading Windows one. There we go. Now I'm installing it. We can go ahead and start it right now. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Here we go. This is the area. We can turn it on. Now it's on. First of all, I'm gonna use the USB connection from here, from USB-A to USB-C. There is the input area right there. And it found it. There are some shortcut keys you can adjust. You can adjust the size, 0, 90 degrees, 180, 270, full area, screen ratio, custom area, virtual keyboard setting, and here is the pen settings, and this is the regular settings. Here is our pen. You see, I can control it however I like. If you want to see the mouse cursor, just get it closer. For example, you can just drag wherever you want. And there are 2 buttons over here. When you press 2 times, you can open the folder, or you can just touch. Let's check the pen settings. We have 2 buttons over here. The top one is mouse right button, and the bottom one, you can just choose whatever you like. There are so many functions you can choose. For example, we can go ahead and assign one function there. For example, mouse button, tools, multimedia, show, hide, precision mode, pen and scroll, virtual keyboard settings, etc. For example, mouse button, mouse left, right, middle, double left click, wheel forward, wheel backward. We can do double left click. We can adjust the output and the pressure from here. And this is the pressure text. There is advanced setup. And also you can choose custom area, however you like. Screen ratio, full area. I'm gonna choose full area. And right now we chose all 3 screens. Or you can choose only one screen. Right, left, or middle. We can choose all display. And you can see the battery level over there. That's 70%. Now we are using USB-C cable. We can go ahead and take it out. And I'm gonna do the Bluetooth connection. Here is the settings for Bluetooth. When you press Bluetooth, add a device, and you're gonna see Turing Smart 5. Now it's connecting. It's connected. Wow, that's working. The response rate feels like you're using USB-C cable. That's very fast. We're gonna assign some functions over here, but they are already being assigned. F9 and F10, they need to be customized. You can choose whatever you like. Let's go ahead and draw something. I'm gonna go ahead and draw snowman since it's winter time. As you can see, it is very accurate. We can go ahead and use some colors. It's very easy to use. I can just hover it and press right there, and then you can adjust it however you like. I really like it. And again, we can use some blur. If the thickness is not good, you can increase from here and you're gonna get better results. And we can make the thickness smaller. And let's choose some green ones. Since it's snowing, we can use some blurry white color. As you can see, it is very easy to use. We are done with everything. We can go ahead and save this and check it out. Let's go ahead and watch. There we go, from the beginning. Here is the pen holder. If you want to change it, we have the metal right there. We're just gonna squeeze it and take it out and put the new one right there. Now we're good to go. We have additional 8 tips right here. Whenever you're done, just close it like that. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you're able to connect it to connections. One is Bluetooth connection and the other one is USB-C right there. And this is very precise. We have all the function buttons over here. If you want to use, you can turn down the volume and you can turn it up and you can play music and you can customize these buttons. We have a great stylus. This is very professional. As you can see, it is very easy to grab, and we have 2 customized buttons over here. And the pen holder right there, we have additional 8 tips. It has non-slippery plastic at the bottom, same thing also here, and it's not moving at all. Overall, definitely suggest these products.